So good. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making my garlic cauliflower fried rice. It's super delicious. We're going to be seasoning it with soy sauce, garlic, and butter. And we're going to be using eggs for the protein. Later in the video, I'm also going to be sharing my secret to getting a really great texture for your cauliflower rice. I'm here with my husband, Eric, and he requested this dish. So today I'm going to show him how to make that.
Yep, and I love fried rice. So I'm looking forward to learning how to make a healthier version of the dish.
Okay, so heat your skillet to medium-high heat. I would do a little bit lower just because our stove's really hot.
And how long do I heat it for?
It's gonna be about 2 minutes.
Okay.
This is 1 tablespoon of oil, add that in. And swirl it around. And then add in the egg. Yeah, and let it sit there for about a few seconds.
Okay.
And then now you can start scrambling it. That's looking good. That looks pretty good. So you want to take it off the heat now and pour it in here. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll put that aside. The next thing you want to do is wipe out the pan with a paper towel. I can put that food in. Here you go. Now add another tablespoon of olive oil. And then you can add in the yellow onions. This is about this is actually 1/8 of a yellow onion already chopped. Yeah, just keep doing that until the onions are slightly translucent and browned a little bit. We're gonna add in also just a little handful of the green onions as well.
Oh, okay.
You could probably turn the heat up a tiny bit. Yeah, and just let that go for a little bit, about a minute.
It's starting to brown a little bit.
Keep moving it so it doesn't get burned.
It's getting there.
Yeah. Okay, now you can add in the garlic.
All of it?
Add all of it in, yeah. And stir fry for about 30 seconds. And just keep moving it so it doesn't burn, because garlic burns really easily. Okay, I think that is good.
Okay.
Now add in the cauliflower rice. Just add it all in. Mix it all up and stir fry it for until it's all mixed up. Okay, now you can add in the beaten eggs.
Okay.
Now this is my secret to getting a really good texture on the cauliflower rice. And as soon as you add that in, mix it thoroughly so that all the rice gets coated. This is gonna give it a more rice-like texture versus if you just didn't do this at all. So the goal of this is not to create scrambled eggs, but it's to actually create a nice texture on the rice itself. Okay, that looks pretty good.
It's coming together. Looks nice.
Yeah. So you can just add in the rest of the ingredients. Do the butter. You can just, and then the soy sauce. This is half a tablespoon of soy sauce. And then this is the salt. Kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of that. And your pepper. And just for future reference, if you ever feel like the heat is getting too high or it's too low, you can adjust it, obviously, as needed. So that's the pepper. And then you said you want the MSG, right?
Yeah.
Because you like that pop of flavor.
Yes, I love the MSG.
There you go. Okay. And then you just want to stir fry that until the butter's all melted through. And you can give it a taste as well at this point. So you might want to turn the heat down to a low so that we don't burn the rice. I think it's looking pretty good.
I think so too. Looking really good.
Now you can taste it. Tasting is important so that you know that you have the right seasonings. And be careful, it's super hot. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Is it the seasonings good?
Very good.
Let me try
very
it.
good.
Let me try it.
So good, huh?
Really good.
So good.
Really good. Okay, now that the seasonings are spot on, what you want to do is you can break this up here or in there, as like however you want to, however size, whatever size you want it to be, and then just heat it through, you know.
There we go.
There, yeah, and then we could just turn it up just a. Oh, you're here. There we go. Just to heat that through. Okay, so once that is done and it's to your liking, we can plate it.
Looks great.
And yeah, you can put it in a bowl.
Smells so good. It's like a perfect portion too.
And then you can flip, well, you could put the plate over it and then flip it.
Like this?
Yeah.
And then flip it.
Yep. All right. Now you can take it off. There it is.
There we go.
It looks good. Now you can garnish it with some of those green onions back there.
This will make it really good.
I love green onions.
Same here. That's why there's a lot.
All right.
It looks so good. So good.
You did such a good job.
I had a good teacher.
Okay, you want to add some of the fly-by jing?
Yeah, let's add some spices to it.
So this is the fly-by jing oil. It's really good. Is that good?
Yep, perfect. Great, that's good.
Okay. I'm gonna try some.
Wow.
The fly-by jing is the way to go.
Yep. So good.
But do you see how the egg coats the rice? It creates that more rice-like texture, right? Versus not having it.
It does. It feels just like real rice.
And this is really great on its own, but it could also be used as a side dish. If you want to pair it with like other protein like steak or chicken or shrimp. This is a really good side dish as well. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.